May laula ko may na solusong ni Team Fiji. Wiliame karena matatigil at siguro lumuluan na solusong ni Commonwealth Games di Birmingham. So na ko alisar politik sa ito ng siguro may siyo sa lugar itatau kalit semua. Na kadin ng nibon karena masuk ke sini semasa lalu dia mengilang lalu menibida ng mata saat itu rumah
di komisi ko na yang gona itatau lagi sa kacung nila kalau sa ako tumenengara pinabida sa kanila sa ating utang sa gambo sa kacung mo yan kena itu sa kanila pinggarabi kalau bukan untuk menolong nobiti na ngito tinikaruwa sa warutek meron matataka sa kanila untuk kumpuna dulu sa naman iturang na bunibang at yung kama burbasan maramang bala tapos pindah kete naman iturang na bunibang mata nito biar kan di biar memandang sa satu sabo binabinatay sa kato ni singay dayday na namundog na biman sa tawuch na uto man mendusin makanin dolo sa kato may lumalay na namundog na biman ni singay dayday namundog na kanyan dolo ni bedragi isa kan ibigyan mo daw ng kaloohan na kaya itabi sa lumuri kaya mo daw langin-langin no nabi maroy kaya no nabi pakalungat tagi kalungat sa kacunay lago-lago dahil waktu suka nung tabi akan dira kalungatan mo ni turang presiden ngayon ang daliliw ba ito suka mandang Yesus Kristo mana yeay saan tapasan manda bona na itatau sa kailewu kaliw we do amundo para saka
Sambul binak. First of all, the State House is humbled and privileged to welcome you this morning and to see all the serious faces that are looking at me now. And which I think people are so focused and determined to go out there and do what you're passionate about. To go and relive your dreams and to bring glory to the country in Fiji. But I speak to you as, I'm the youngest president, and I speak to you as one of you. With Saleh, me and Saleh are about the same. We grew up together. So I think Saleh is much older than me. That's why he's been chosen to be the chef de mission. But anyways, I'm looking at household names in Fiji, international names. I see Olympians, I see Pacific Island champions. I'm looking at champions today. I'm seeing the titans of Fiji, all wearing blue, and are looking at me seriously this morning, which to me, I can see that there's a lot of things going around in your mind. You're ready to leave your shores today. But let me tell you, all the teams that have come here, I told them, see, when you come in with all that pressure, with all the things that go behind, that you're thinking out there, leave it here with me. Go free. When you leave this compound and you go through the gates, go up as somebody, go out as you, as the person that had that passion, that had that dream to represent the country at this level. I've been telling our sports teams that have been coming here, for the new athletes, today is a new dawn for you. It's just a new morning for you. So a new page right on into your history. You have international stars here that have written books and stories that inspired you people to be wearing that national emblem there at the Commonwealth Games. So if there's a message I will share with you today, please go out here and just be yourself. Because that's what champions are. You know, you go in there, don't worry about anything. If you worry about some criticisms or what, bring it to the president. That's the president's job. Leave it here with me. Because I'm from Madhuata. Yes. I am the only place in Fiji where I get to greet a new day. Because I'm just west of where a new day begins. So I am not worried about problems. Any problem that come, I leave it yesterday. Because every day is a new day for me. So I want you people, you athletes, you titans of this nation, you're going out there to live your dreams. So go, don't look back at anything. Give it your all. And I know I'm looking at confident faces. I'm looking at, I'm seeing people are a bit relaxed now. Some of the shoulders at the back are relaxed. So I think, for me, personally, I never dreamt that one day I'd be sitting here facing you to say a few words, to encourage you and remind you that you are not only going, that you are going with me. I'll be there to support you. But remember, there are 14 provinces in Fiji, and there are 900,000 people. They be having their eyes glued on the TV. If you go, win or lose, don't worry. Let the negative part come on my side. You take the positive side, leave the negativity with me. That's all I ask. Because that, when you go out there, you're going to do what you have been passionate about, you never dreamt, you've been passionate about, you did all the training, you went through the hard yard to be where you are today. So go and live your dream, and I wish you well. And I wish you well. My prayers are with you. The Wanua's prayers are with you. The sign, we just had this, it's usually said that a light drizzle is a sign of good luck. So, you know, it's kind of, it's going to soften the weather for you to go, and who knows. So, on the other note, I'll be expecting us to meet here again on your return. Because that is something that was never been done. Because I much always, people go, they get their colors, they get their celebration, they never come back here to where you all started. Because when you leave our shores, your families, your parents, your own are my responsibility. I will have to be there with them. I'll have to make sure that everything is okay with your families, not to worry. Should anything, I'll be there to answer questions as the head of state. And I know the government too sends its best wishes for it, because they've been supporting you all these years. So it's just a matter of courtesy. And it will bring you blessings in your future. So when you come back, I won't mind coming to spend another morning tea or afternoon tea with you to share all the good stories that you have when you bring back from the Commonwealth Games. So from us at the President's House and the 14 provinces of Fiji, I wish you well. And come back with glory. Naka.